Tip of the day is watercolor makes the most beautiful bookmarks. If you get a sheet of watercolor paper and you can just do random things, like just do some beautiful flooding of color all over it, and then slice it up into bookmark size, then you can use some ink over the top to draw something if you want to. Seahorse, I love seahorses. A little mini Zen landscape just with an outline, a little like palm leaf or something, and sign it. It makes the most beautiful bookmark. You don't even have to add ribbon or anything if you don't want to. It looks really classy just like that. Make sure you put your full name and your artist web address on the back, because that's a little advertising thing if you're starting to sell your paintings.